This map has as green color the trail. So if you click on the trail, you get links to the official page in Swedish and English. And if you click here, you get machine translated. Blue one is nature reserves. In Sweden, you can sleep following something called allemansrätt, where you are allowed to sleep if you don't intrude on other people's houses or something like that. But we have special regulations in the nature reserves. So if you click on that one, you get nearly the same pop-up, and it tells this is the Swedish regulations, and that's something called Länsstyrelsen, the county, who are telling us what is allowed. Föreskrifter is regulations, and the one which is important here, I think, for most people is how long you can tent. So on this place that's called Grinda, you can, there we have, and then you can only tent on dedicated places. And the same doing a fire only at dedicated places. So what those links does is machine translate using Google. So here we have most common language spoken in Sweden and by tourists. So if we click here, we get the Japanese version. And you can see the layout is nearly the same. And if I do mouse over, I can also read it, because then I see the original. Here you have making fire on other places than dedicated. So that's all.